welcome to this space. Thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a website that will pay you as much as $150 to $200 weekly by just performing simple tasks on your phone. You can use your phone to work on those websites. You can also work on this website as an absolute beginner. Okay, this is also a worldwide opportunity. So make sure you watch this video to the end, as I'm going to be sharing with you the tasks you'll be performing and every details you need to know about this job. So the name of this website is clickworker.com. Once you come to your browser, type in www.clickworker.com/clickworker. Then it will take you to this website you are seeing here. Profit from your talent. Clickworker is always looking for internet users worldwide who can, for example, create or correct text, participate in surveys, or search and categorize data for them. You sign up as a Clickworker and it's free of charge. You can work independently. Your schedule is flexible and all you need is a computer or a mobile device with an internet connection. You decide when and how much you want to work on a freelance basis. They also have an app you can also download on Play Store. Here are the types of job available on this website. They have text creation, where you create informative text, product description, or articles about a given topic. So let's know more about this particular job. You click to open. So under the text creation job, are you someone who enjoys jotting things down and making notes about different topics? And have you always wanted to turn your hobby into a sideline? They are looking for text writers who can create text for them based on a template or about a predefined topic. This can include description of cities, hotels, and softwares or fashion items. The varieties of topic is limitless and always depend on the current job situation. If you're interested in text creation job, all you need to do is just to go click on this register button to register. The next type of job here is categorization. Categorize the data of websites and the rest. So let's see more details about this job. Click to open to view full details. Some part-time jobs are strenuous and some can be carried out on the side without time pressure and without stress. Do you enjoy analyzing data files such as videos, photos, or documents and classifying them according to terms? Or are you someone who can quickly find given information on the internet? At Clickworker, you can evaluate, analyze, or categorize the content of website, search results, images, or documents whenever you feel like. This is what your tasks might look like. Does the search result really match the given search request? View 2 landing pages and decide which one provides the reader with the most precise information, or check whether there is adult content on some web pages. Okay, so if you're interested in this kind of job, which is data categorization, all you have to do is to click on register to register. The next kind of task you can perform on this website is copy editing. Copy editors check corrected text with regards to content, style, and the exact implementation of the job instruction. So go to this highlighted text to view more details. Hobby and professional copy editors are wanted. Do you have a passion for correcting and want to use your talent to earn some money on the side? Perfect. They are looking for copy editors who can edit short text to the given topic for them. This can include description of cities or products as well as many other topics. This always depends on the current job situation. So if you're interested in this type of task, click on register to register. The next type of task you can perform on this site is proofreading tasks. Proofreaders assess the text created with regards to spelling, grammar, style, expression, and the implementation of job instruction. So let's know full details. If you're a passionate reader and itch to correct every comma or grammar mistake in newspaper, online articles, or book, then you might be the right person for the following task sector. They are looking for proofreaders to check and correct the text. Since the range of topics always depends on the current job situation, this task promises to be interesting. Your constructive and affirmative comments about mistakes and issues help the author on their platform to write good text and learn from their errors. The following aspects must always be observed, which are spellings, grammar, style, expression, and exact implementation of the job instruction. So if you're interested in proofreading tasks, you can click on register to register. Another type of task you can perform on this website is its research tasks. So where you have to search for data and addresses of companies, restaurants, and other localities in the web. Let's know more about this job. You click. So this task is web research. So all you do is to collect data. They are currently looking for people who enjoy searching for data on the internet. For example, addresses of companies, restaurants, and the rest. Their search tasks also include the updating of existing data or other minor tasks. If you're interested, click on the register button. The next one we have here is survey, where you share your opinion by participating in various types of survey. Let's click to know more. This task is survey task where you share your opinion. Surveys on Clickworker are always directed at groups of participants that have been previously determined by their client based on specific criteria. The topics are as varied as the objective. The surveys are completely anonymous, and the personal data will not be submitted to third parties at a given time. If you are interested, just go to the register button to register for this survey task. The next type of task is mystery visit. Who wouldn't enjoy getting paid for a weekly shopping trip? Visit nearby stores, take pictures of products, and upload them at Clickworker. That's it. So let's open to know more about this task. They need mystery photographers. Do you have an observant eye and a smartphone? Do you enjoy strolling through the shopping area or mall in your hometown? Then you are just the right person for their shopping jobs. Check sale displays and product placement in supermarkets, or verify whether a certain inn restaurant that was all the rage 2 years ago is still located at a certain address. Those are two possible tasks that you as a mystery photographer could find listed with them. From the list of jobs, choose the ones that are your area, reserve them, and you are off. You complete the task at the specified location and document it with uploaded photos. Submit the job and you are done. So guys, if you're interested in this task, just go ahead and register. The next type of task here is app testing. So as an app jobber, you can help optimize the design, functionality, and usability of different applications. Let's click to know more. Become an app tester. Who hasn't experienced this before? You are sitting on the train or waiting for the bus and wish you could spend that time having fun or at least do something worthwhile with it. After all, it's 5 minutes, a half hour there that is just wasted. For those equipped with a smartphone or tablet, the app tester job with Clickworker could be just what you are looking for. It doesn't matter if you are armed with an Android device or an iPhone. An app is usually tested in just a few minutes and you quickly pocket your earnings. So guys, if you are interested with the app tester task, you can click on the register button to apply. The next type of task here is photo capturing. Take any kind of picture with your smartphone, upload, and that is done. Let's click more to know more about this photo capturing task. For photo jobs, your hair looks good. Now just take a quick selfie and the day can begin. It can be just about that easy to earn money by taking pictures for Clickworker. Make snapshots of everyday objects or situation. No matter whether you are armed with an Android device or an iPhone, these small jobs can be done quickly and easily. If you're interested, go ahead, click on the register button to apply. The next kind of job here is audio recordings, whether at home or on the go. Record short audio clips on your smartphone. Let's know more about this. Audio jobs. My voice is my password. As quickly as you read that sentence, it's just how fast you can earn money with their audio jobs. Everything you require, you probably already have in your hand, your smartphone. The biggest advantage is that you can work these jobs completely independently of the time of the day or the place you can find yourself. Use those irritating commercial breaks when watching television. Simply record single words or short sentences. Different content will be requested depending on the project. Smartphone commands like stop the music will probably sound familiar to you, and you are sure to come across them here too. This is basically what this job entails. If you're interested, just go ahead and click on the register button to apply. And the next task is video recordings. Show your skill by making short videos. Grab your cell phone and get filming. Let's know more about this job. For the video recording job, do you have an eye for detail? And can you follow directions precisely? Then, their video jobs are practically made for you. Grab your smartphone and record video clips about various topics. The short videos usually only last a few seconds or up to a minute. You can choose your preferred activities from a list of tasks. There is quite a bit to choose from, like making faces to perform simple activities. Your job instruction could, for example, be throw an object in the air and catch it again. There's definitely a good bit of fun and creativity to be found in their job. So if you're interested, you register. So this is how it works. You sign up at clickworker.com, you fill out your user profile, complete short assessment, good result ensure many jobs, process your job online, get paid on a weekly or monthly basis. The benefits: easy start with assessment, good quality work ensures an increase in earnings, work from home whenever you have time, you don't have to worry about customer acquisition, they take care of the distribution of the jobs to you. This gives you more time for your own work, and you don't have to write invoices either. They take care of the entire process, including payment to you. Weekly or monthly payments via SEPA or PayPal. 24/7 support from their Clickworker community. These are what Clickworkers are saying, those that are already working with them. This person said, at first, I didn't expect that much from Clickworker. However, I have only had access to UHRS for a short time, and he has already made over $150 in his spare time. Clickworker has augmented his income and he's thankful for it, says Cody from the US. Itumeleng from South Africa said, Clickworker is pretty simple to use. The job pays well and awards the effort. Since he's currently in university, he's now going to be able to save money for a laptop and also Christmas present. Babel from Germany said she discovered Clickworker when she saw a TV documentary about crowdfunding on the internet and was curious to learn about it. And she just got stuck there as get real compensation for your work, unlike at other companies. These are the experiences, and as you guys can see, the experiences are amazing. If you have further questions about Clickworker, okay, these are their social media handles. You can sign up through any of the tasks listed, or you can just go through here and sign up. Let's click sign up to see how the form looks like. Generally, this is how the form looks like. It's a step 1, step 2, step 3 form, where you have to select your gender, your title, your first name, last name, username, email address, password. You confirm your password and click to continue until you get to the step 3. Then you submit the application. If you're interested, don't hesitate to hit on the register or sign up button to sign up, okay, for this job. So these are simple tasks you can perform just using your smartphone. So guys, that will be it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If this video was valuable, please don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. Thank you so much, and see you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.